It is on the matter of the Gopis talking. The one Gopi is advising another Gopi that, my dear friend, Smirang, Chandrakena, Bangshina Stadhara, Ujjala Chandrakena, Kesiti Thopakanthe, Govindakhya, Ma Prekhishta Tabajadi Sakhe Bandhu Sangestiranga. The idea is that one Gopi is advising another Gopi, my dear friend, there is one boy, his name is Govind. He is standing on the bank of Jamuna near the Kesi Ghat and is playing on his flute. And he is so beautiful that especially during full moon night, please do not go there. Why? Because if you have got intention to enjoy in this material world with your family members, wife, children, husband, please do not go there. Smirang bhangitraya parijitang sachi vistirna drishti bhangitra. Krishna is always stands in three carved way with his flute. That is Krishna's Tribhanga Murari. Tribhanga. Three places he is bent. So, Smirang bhangitraya parijitang sachi vistirna drishti Ma prekhishta sakhe jadi tava bandhu sange stiranga. If you think that you will enjoy more your life in this material world, then you do not go there. You do not go. The idea is that if you want to see Krishna, then you will forget all this nonsense material enjoyment. That is seeing Krishna. Nama Shamin Kitatosmi Barangana Jaji. My dear Lord, I don't want anything. Dhruva Maharaj went to see Krishna to get the kingdom of his father. But when he saw Krishna, Vishnu offered, no, whatever benediction you want, you take. He said, Samin Kitathosmi Parangana Jaji. My dear Lord, I have no more any desire. That is Krishna's.